Hello guys. My hair is messy because I just woke up and I brushed my teeth. Yep. And I cleaned my face and I ate a bologna with mayo sandwich. Bro, you should try it out. It's so good. So one of you guys go try the mayo with bologna sandwich with soft bread. But if you have hard bread and soft bread too, they will both work. And my dogs are outside. If you can't see, they are outside. And if you didn't see that, I am sorry. I'll be right back. And so yeah, guys, they're right there. My dogs are out there. I'm scared. I'm sorry. My camera is a little bit dirty. I'm gonna clean it. Okay, I'm finished cleaning my camera. And then I was barefoot. Do you like my brown eyes? If you like my eye color, like and subscribe. So I will see you guys later. Bye.